So we're gonna sort this out. I like having the previously dirtier side pointed down. So I'm gonna start with the shelves. So when I'm assembling, the dirty side goes up, which will eventually be downwards. I'm gonna take the bracket, and when I install it, the bracket has only one correct position to be installed. And when it's installed inside the hole, it'll be flush with the back of the shelf itself. Now I'm gonna give it a little glue. In this case, I'm using super glue, the gel type. You can use the liquid type. You can use wood glue. That works great, but sometimes you have to wait for it a little bit to cure. So for time, I'm gonna just go ahead and install it. Gonna hold it for a few seconds, put it away, and again, the sanded side, or the side that had the burr marks, up. Make sure this sits well. I'm gonna apply some glue and install, and as I said, the two should be flush. Okie dokie, so we've got the 3 shelves ready to be installed. I'm gonna put them aside. Now all 3 shelves are identical, and the bracket goes here, and the 2 tabs of the shelves go here. So let's see, that they align pretty much. Yep, pretty much align. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue here again. Oopsie daisies. Okie dokie, so try and align all the tabs. Now, if you don't have strangler hands like mine, you can use a little hammer or a large piece of wood to hammer everything into position. And we've got the first shelf in place. Same thing goes with the other. I'm gonna give it some glue. Oopsie daisies. Oopsie daisies. 1, 2. Whoopsie daisies. And again, make sure it's all pretty much aligned. And now try not to stick your fingers together, as these glues will do it, and the fact that I'm now missing a finger came from that. Now, okay, all in place. And last one, again, some glue. Let's align it again. And voila, at this point, this is ready to go on the wall. So as you see, you've got the little keyholes in the back. Actually, I'll hold it this way. You've got the keyholes in the back, so you can use regular wall anchors and hang them. You can also use 3M command strips. Just make sure you're using the bigger ones that are rated for enough weight. You can use 4 of them, and then you can put it on the wall without having to drill in it. Or if you purchased the what's its name? The cable bracket, we'll assemble it next. Okay, so this is ready to rock and roll and organize your Chessex dice or other figurines and things. Now, next up, this. The holes should match. Yes, they align nicely, and they align here as well. So I'm gonna put some glue on one side. And insert it, and I'm gonna put some glue on the other side. And just make sure that the feet are pointed all in the same direction. And another tip, make sure that the part that was dirtier of the two is pointed inwards. That is pointed towards the side, towards the long side of the leg. And that's it. Now, you should just let it sit a little until the glue, again, depends on the glue, holds it well enough. So we're gonna now use some camera magic to make the time go faster.